it's me, Miranda. As you can see, right now I'm in New York. That was an original piece by my friend Bailey. So, yeah. Anyways, today's vlog topic comes to us from Twitter. So, here we go. K.S. Peter said, that moment when I realized I am addicted to Miranda Steen's videos. #1 Miranda right here. Vlog on the best Halloween costumes this year. I think that's a great vlog topic idea. So, Halloween's just around the corner, and so I've got a lot of ideas up my sleeve. A ballerina. Opera singer. A princess. To be or not to be? That is a question. A DJ. A reader. A dog. A wolf. A shopping girl. A celebrity. Hey guys, it's me, Miranda. A chef. There you go. There are some ideas for you. If you use any of my ideas, please take a picture and post it on my Facebook. I'd love to see it. So, yeah. Alright, so here's fan mail of the day. Adam Arthur said, a wise woman once said, hey guys, it's me, Miranda. Thanks, Adam. I agree. So, okay. Now hate mail. Jade Coleman says, I'm British and you unoffensive beep. We don't talk like that. You got Buckingham Palace wrong. You take the P out of, oh yeah, beep off is not porn. So why don't you go beep off much love? Heart. Rude. So that comment was made on my Miranda Tour of London vlog. So you can check it out here. But yeah, I hope you guys like my vlog today. Leave comments below what you want my vlog to be on Monday. And I will see you guys on Miranda.